In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split tasks in Microsoft Project. When work on a task has to pause, maybe you're waiting on materials or a resource becomes unavailable, splitting the task is the cleanest way to show that interruption without changing the total amount of work. In Microsoft Project, a split simply inserts a gap in the schedule. On the Gantt chart, the task bar is divided into segments, and a dotted line between them marks the break where no work is planned. Start by switching to the Gantt chart so you have a clear visual timeline to work with. Go to View, then choose Gantt chart. This view is key because it's where you'll create and position the split precisely along the calendar. Next, select the task you want to interrupt. On the Task tab in the Schedule group, click Split Task. The icon looks like a broken bar, and it activates a tool that lets you mark exactly where the pause begins. With the Split Task tool active, click directly on the task's Gantt bar at the point where you want the interruption to start. Project immediately breaks the bar at that spot. Then, drag the newly created second segment to the date where work will resume. You'll see the original and resumed portions connected by a dotted line, confirming that the time in between is not counted as working time. If the task needs to stop more than once, simply repeat the split action at each additional pause. You can fine-tune the timing by dragging a split segment left or right to adjust just that portion. Dragging the first segment moves the entire task schedule while keeping the split structure. If plans change and you no longer need a gap, drag a segment back until it touches the previous one. The pieces will merge into a single continuous bar. Throughout, remember that Project treats the gap as non-working time, so total work stays the same while the overall calendar duration may expand. Sometimes splits appear automatically after resource leveling. To control that, go to Resource, open Leveling Options, and check or clear the setting labeled Leveling can create splits in remaining work. When enabled, Project may insert splits to resolve overallocations. As you review your plan, look for task bars with dotted connectors in the Gantt chart. Those show exactly where work pauses and picks up again, giving you a clear, accurate picture of the schedule.